and their families and the other vets that are here today. And that goes for the young ones too, because I know there's some 20-somethings. This part of the show is for you. We do not forget what you've done. For the young guys, we know what you're doing. And this is one place that you know you can always come up. Because as veterans, we've got your back because you've had ours. And we know that for you older guys, you truly have been the greatest generation. And we wouldn't be doing this show and having these aircraft without you. And thank you so much for what you've done, and thank you, veterans, for just coming here and being with us and teaching us.